Hello and welcome to the GNA University. Myself, Burhan Bashir, Assistant Professor, Department of Medical Radiology and Imaging Technology, School of Allied and Healthcare Sciences. In this video, we will be discussing about CT instrumentation. So, in this video lecture, we will cover some topics about three major divisions of CT instrumentation. The three major divisions are imaging system, computer system, then the last one is known as image display, recording and communication system. Inside these systems, we have different equipments. Say for example, we will start with the imaging system. Imaging system comprises of gantry control panel, purpose of the imaging system, components of the gantry, internal view of the gantry, generators, X-ray tube, filters, collimators, detectors, data acquisition system, slip ring technology, and patient couch. Similarly, the next major division of CT instrumentation is known as computer system. The third major division is known as image display, recording, and communication, in which we will discuss about image display, printers, hard copies, image storage, packs, and some of the advancements. Starting with the principle of CT, the principle of CT is defined as the image of an object can be recreated by multiple projections of that object. What does that mean? That means if we have to create a three-dimensional image of an object, we have to take the radiograph of that very object from multiple perspectives. Then, with the help of mathematical reconstruction algorithms, we will be able to recreate a three-dimensional image of that particular object. So, this is the principle on which the CT systems work. As I already said, there are three major components in the imaging in the CT instrumentation. One is known as imaging system, second is known as computer system, third is known as image display, recording and storage and communication system. So here is a diagram which is showing the three major divisions of CT instrumentation. Right here, you are able to see the imaging system, which includes the gantry, the donut shaped structure, followed by the patient table. The next is computer system. The data from the gantry is to be processed by the help of mini computers. So that's the second major division of the CT instrumentation, that's known as computer system. Third, once the image has been formed, we need some devices through which we can visualize those images. That is the third division of CT instrumentation, that's known as image display, storage and communication. So not only we need to display these images, and also we need to store these images for future references. So for that particular reason, the third division of instrumentation is known as image display, storage and communication. Now, this is a general layout of a CT room. In a CT room, you will find that we have radiation protection rules by which we will cover all the walls according to the guidelines of AARB and ICRB. There you will find two major rooms. One is known as imaging room, where the gantry as well as patient table will be placed. Next is known as console room, where from we operate the CT machine. So this is the room where the computer system as well as image display system will be placed. For a visual contact between the two rooms, we have a lead glass right here. So with the lead glass, we will have a visual contact with the patient. Also, if we have to communicate with the patient through audio, then we have a microphone and a speaker system that is attached with this gantry. Now about imaging system. Imaging system comprises of several components housed inside the gantry that works together to acquire the image from the patient. So we have multiple equipments which are placed inside this particular structure. This is known as gantry, and the primary purpose of this gantry is that it will produce an X-ray that will go through the body of the patient, and on the other end, those X-rays will be taken up by the detectors. To assess that particular function, there are multiple other electronic equipments present within this gantry. So let's talk about gantry. Gantry has an aperture of 70 to 85 centimeters. What does aperture mean? Aperture means the inner diameter of this circle, and this inner diameter enables the patient to go inside and come out of the patient. This diameter enables the patient to go inside and come outside of the gantry. So the aperture should be of that much length that an average sized patient of that particular community should be able to go in and out of the gantry easily. Next, the gantry is able to tilt for some particular procedures. For that, the gantry is able to tilt forward as well as backward. The tilting range is between 12 to 30 degrees. Means 12 to 30 degrees it can lean forward and can lean backwards. Gantry has some other attachments also. First is known as gantry aperture, that in terms of millimeters we can write as 720 millimeters. On the point second, right here is the microphone. The microphone is there for a direct communication between the patient and the operator when the exposure is turned on. Third is known as sagittal laser alignment. So this particular portion is used for the patient positioning and the alignment of the patient. Fourth is known as gantry control panel. So here on both sides of the gantry we have a control panel through which we can control the movements of the gantry. The movements of the gantry include moving the patient table back and forth from the gantry, up and down. Then also the gantry tilt can be done from here. Fifth is known as external laser lights. So here, for again the alignment and the proper positioning of the patient, two types of laser beam alignments are there. One is the sagittal, next is the external. Number 6 is the patient couch. Patient couch or the patient table is where we place the patient. Number 7 is ECG gating monitor. ECG gating monitor is present onto the gantry control panel. So whenever we have to perform any of the gated procedures, say for example CT, coronary angiography, in that particular procedure we require ECG gating, and those ECG gatings will be visualized on this particular monitor. So this is a close-up look of the gantry control panel. Here you can see different selections for different functions of the gantry. For example, the first function is for the gantry tilt. So these buttons are used to tilt the gantry. Next is known as laser alignment lights on and off. As we perform the X-rays, we have to use the collimation lights. Here, for the patient positioning and alignment, we use laser lights. Third option is known as couch in and out. So with this particular button, we can make the couch to go in and out of the gantry. 6, 4, 0 couch position. When we press this particular button, the couch returns back to its original state or default alignment. Fifth, couch up and down. So with these two buttons, we can move the couch up and down. Why do we require this particular function? Sometimes the patient comes to our department walking, but sometimes the patient may be presented on a stretcher. So now we have to make a transfer of the patient from the stretcher to the patient table. For that particular process, we require the patient couch as well as the stretcher at the same level. So with these buttons, we will make the couch to reach to the same level of the stretcher so that the patient will be transferred easily from the stretcher to the couch. Number 6, this is known as home button, couch out down. Once we have completed the procedure, now we have to back the patient from the CT machine. For this particular function, this button is used. Number 7, this is an emergency stop button. So as you are able to see, this emergency stop button is used in case of emergencies. If sometimes the CT gantry fails and it starts to produce X-rays without even any of the command from the operator, then at that particular time when we have to stop the machine, we use this particular button. Eighth, here onto these gantry controls, we have an exposure indicator which indicates the amount of exposure that was given to acquire a particular slice during the acquisition. Thank you.